Nature printing is a printing process developed in the 18th century that uses plants, animals, rocks, and other natural subjects to produce an image. The subject undergoes several stages to give a direct impression into the material, such as lead, gum, photographic plates, which are then used in the printing process. And in my case, I'm using them to print into my clay for my pottery projects.
I've been out foraging today and finding things that I can use to print on my pottery. This is beautiful, this one. This is amazing. This is going to be really interesting to see what it does. I think even on my beads or some of my work. So stay tuned on my YouTube channel and I'll show you some pieces that this will come out with. What else have I got? I found some nuts. It looks like gum trees. So I thought like maybe the underneath there, that was cool. These nuts were like really cool because can you see the different shapes inside? And then these were even interesting. So I've got like little crosses on the end, so they would make like a stamp. What else did I get? Some of these. This one's open. I've printed with this one before, but I thought I would try that. I found these big seeds, and it's a bit like honeycomb inside. Let me see if I can see. Can't quite see it, but I have to open it up and try one. So I've got a few of those. They would be quite good. And I thought some interesting leaves to print as well. These would be easy to roll over. That one, and these ones. The sharp corners on the ends. So I think I'll start finding a collection of them and setting a bit of a design. I really love using nature. Oh, I found a leaf. So someone was looking after me today, besides Jackals. But it's going to be interesting to try these guys out. So stay tuned, and I'll have a day where I use some different prints on some terracotta clay or even some white clay and just see what that turns out like. This one's a little bit flatter, but I think that would be interesting as well. So it's endless. Interesting. I mean, natural stamp. Absolute natural stamp. So it was a really, really good walk. Mr. Jackals is happy.